Now, if you've been told to ice your foot or just take medication to get rid of your heel pain, or that your heel pain is from a bone spur, this video might blow your mind. I'm Dr. Saller, an orthopedic foot and ankle surgeon, and I'm here to bust 7 of the most common and often the most misleading myths about plantar fasciitis. Some of these myths are keeping people in pain a lot longer than they need to be. So let's set the record straight and start busting myths. Myth number 1, plantar fasciitis is caused by inflammation. Its name, plantar fasciitis, isn't actually caused by inflammation. In fact, in most cases, it's actually caused by degeneration of the fascia itself. A better term to describe what's happening is plantar fasciosis or plantar fasciopathy. What actually happens is repetitive loads across the plantar fascia cause small microscopic tears in the fascia that build up over time. When there's enough of these small tears in your fascia, your body is going to send a distress signal to your brain, which you interpret as pain. This is why treatments that only focus on reducing inflammation are often going to fall short. Myth number 2, ice and anti-inflammatory medication will help heal your plantar fasciitis. Ice and anti-inflammatory medication like ibuprofen can help you feel better temporarily, but they don't fix the underlying issue. If it's more degeneration than inflammation, these treatments are just a band-aid. You need a long-term strategy to strengthen and support the fascia and increase the mobility of your ankle to allow the plantar fascia to heal. Number 3, your heel pain is caused by a heel spur at the bottom of your heel bone, and it won't go away unless that heel spur is removed. This myth is very common. I hear this from at least one new patient every week in the office. Yes, heel spurs show up on x-rays, but they're often not the real cause of the pain. Studies show that many people with heel spurs have no pain at all. The real culprit is usually the fascia itself, not the spur. Fortunately, surgery to remove a heel spur is rarely needed. Myth number 4, if I just change my shoes or get better insoles, the heel pain will go away. Now, don't get me wrong, shoes absolutely matter. Getting a better shoe is certainly going to help alleviate your heel pain. If you want to find out what type of shoes are best to get rid of plantar fasciitis for your heel pain, check out my video on the best and worst shoes for plantar fasciitis. However, changing shoes is just one piece of the puzzle, not the whole solution. Without addressing muscle imbalances, calf tightness, or poor body mechanics, the pain often returns. Also, getting a softer, more supportive orthotic or insole can be helpful in treating the symptoms of plantar fasciitis, but it alone is not going to provide long-term relief. Using an overly supportive orthotic all the time without taking the time to correct the muscle weakness and the calf muscle tightness that leads to weakening of these foot muscles can make the plantar fasciitis worse down the road. Myth number 5, I'll never be able to walk barefoot again. While walking barefoot can aggravate symptoms during flare-ups of heel pain, the goal is not to avoid walking barefoot forever. With the right treatment plan and the proper rehab, many people can return to walking barefoot on safe surfaces. It just takes a gradual, strategic approach. Here's the thing, as your symptoms start to improve, walking barefoot is actually very helpful in getting rid of your heel pain for the long haul. Walking barefoot will allow your toes to move freely as you walk. It's going to help strengthen the muscles at the bottom of your foot, and it will provide important feedback to the nerves at the bottom of your foot. All 3 of these things are critical in helping you get rid of your heel pain for good. Now, if this video has given you value, go ahead and hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next video. Myth number 6, I just need to rest it more and the pain will go away. Now, rest can help in the short term, but too much rest can actually weaken the foot muscles and prevent long-term resolution of this problem. The key to getting better is smart, progressive loading, doing the right exercises at the right time. This will help you strengthen the foot without aggravating it. Myth number 7, no pain, no gain. Just push through the pain and suck it up. This mindset can actually make plantar fasciitis worse. The fascia needs time and the right kind of stresses to heal, not punishment. Ignoring the pain and just trying to tough it out can lead to more chronic damage to the plantar fascia. This can make it harder to treat down the line and can end up costing you many more months of misery before finally getting the tissue to heal and resolve the problem. So what do you actually need to do to get rid of plantar fasciitis once and for all? Well, the key is 3 important things: stretching the plantar fascia, stretching the calf muscles to prevent tension in the plantar fascia, and most importantly, strengthening the muscles at the bottom of your foot just above the plantar fascia. This is your ticket to long-term relief of this horrible pain. So check out this video to find out what exercises you need to be doing every day to help lead you down the path of recovery.